Nandito kami now sa saan ba to? Sa may South Glen Centennial. Ang ganda tong place na to. So may event today. May concert sa park. May concert sa park featuring yung 80s band. Yeah. Free naman yung concert. Kaya for sure madaming tao today. Sana wag umulan. Ayan. Ito na.
Hey, check 1, 2. Testing mic number 5. Come alive, number 5. Check. Hello, hey.
Picture.
Enjoy. Feels like some free desserts? Oh, that's okay. Here you go. We got some hands back here as well. Here you go. Is that free cookie, brownie, and ice cream? Awesome.
Okay, thank
One more,
you.
yes, sir. Enjoy. One more over here? All right.
Inulan yung concert. Kaya ayan yung mga tao nagtago na sa gilid. Kaya hindi pa makastart yung concert dahil may ulan tsaka may thunder, may lightning warning. Ayan, tago muna ako behind the stage.